beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am gonna show you something which helps in cleaning your clogged pores, and this is something which is very cheap also and readily available in the market. I was searching across these products and I found this on Nykaa, guys, and this is something you can get on Amazon also. For some of you out there who do not belong from India, then this is something which is also available on Amazon, and this product works out amazing, guys. I have already used it on myself, so I thought that I'm gonna share my review with you. So this is this little thing which you need to wear in your fingers, and also this has this little bristles on this side, and on the other side it has stake of something like stairs, and there is a proper procedure which need to be followed in order to clean your nose or your face, because some of us even have whiteheads and blackheads all over our faces. So this is a little miracle which is gonna help you guys, and I'm gonna show you everything in detail now. Also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me. So we are quickly gonna get into the video. So guys, these are made up of silicone and is by brand called Innisfree. It has two sides, one consists of staircase, the other one has bristles. In order to make your pores open, just make sure that you are applying a little bit of heat in order to open your pores so that it can work really well there. After that, I'm gonna take a very mild cleanser and put it on my nose, and with the help of the bristle sides I am gonna open up my pores more so that all the clogged pores and all the whiteheads and blackheads can be removed quickly. After that, I'm gonna wipe this excess off, and with the other side which has staircase like structure, I am gonna remove everything up so that I'll be able to show you in the end what it all has collected. As you guys can see for yourself, it has worked amazingly well. It has almost collected everything. I wasn't expecting it to work this great, because I believe anything which gets stuck on your nose is gonna remove things, but yes, without causing that kind of thing on my nose, it has removed. As you guys can see, all the clogged pores are there. Everything which must have been accumulated to make it look into whiteheads, blackheads, or the little hair, everything has been taken out without sticking anything on your nose, and this is very feasible. You can do it anytime, and this has done wonderful. This has worked pretty amazingly, has crossed my expectations also. As you guys can see, there are little blackheads, there are whiteheads, and their hair, and my nose feels so much smoother now. And now moving on to the other side, which I used to clean up my nose, just to see how does it look. This has looked pretty beautiful as well. As you guys can see, the bristles under, you won't be able to see any huge accumulation. Yes, there are a little bit of whiteheads and hair to be seen. Yes, see, there is such a big hair, and if you see from the naked eye, you won't be able to see anything on my nose, but whenever it is 1000 more times magnified, everything comes into play. As you guys can see, it looks wonderful. If you can see the bristles under the microscope, they look great, and it has worked amazingly well as well. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you still have any queries, you can let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. And this is pretty much it, guys. You can connect to me on my social media. I would love to talk to you guys. The links are given in the description box below. Make sure that you're hitting the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. I will see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.